What's up? Today I'm gonna install the E85 kit. So I have my camera on the tripod, so yeah, that's the kit right there. I'm installing my Civic SI. So I'm gonna try to give y'all the best angle. Alright, cool. So pretty much what we gotta do is this ain't a how-to. I'm just for myself doing it because I suck at explaining shit and I don't want to make you do the wrong thing. So I know for sure to take these off, and this is pretty much where all the work is done over here, and then it should be a fairly simple job. So I'm gonna find out what tools exactly I need, and then I'm gonna tackle the job. So the guy said you need a screwdriver, so I'm gonna go get that, but pretty much a 3/8. I for sure need a 10. I need a short 10 though. Perfect. So I need a 5/8 wrench and a 9/16. Now he did say I need a screwdriver, so let me go get them. I got some inside the house. For sure. So what you gotta do is, according to the video I was watching, I forgot my headphones on. You're supposed to pull off the fuel pump fuse. All right, for sure. So, we had to take off a 15 amp fuse at the bottom at the fuse box inside under the steering wheel. So what you want to do is you want to do that, and then till the fuel cuts out. For sure. So now what you want to do is you want to take off these two 10 millimeters right here. And I'm watching the videos. I'm doing this. So what you want to do is take off that plate, and then after you're done with it, and then put the bolts back so you won't lose them.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
Like that. So you don't do that. So now what you want to do is pop the fuel line. So you want to get this out the way. So this shit is like attached to some, like, is it recording? It's like attached to fucking some clips. So just pop it down, simple. And then see what's next. So now you want to pop this one off. Put a U, and then it'll pop up like that, come off. So now what you want to do is get these little green tabs. Now you want to pop this one off. Put a U, and then it'll pop up like that, come off. So now what you want to do is disconnect it. I gotta get a rag because it's gonna throw fuel. Do now is, see these grommets here? Take these off, pull them out. So as you can see, flex fuel kit is on. One of the wires here, connect it here. All I gotta do is update my K-tuner, my Honda to give it the flex fuel tune, and we about to start it up and then go get some 85 later tonight. So hopefully it's no problems. I got my Honda ready to go, but since we turned off the battery, we probably have to drive it to reset the car and then retune it. So happens. See, it keeps idling, like it's trying to find its idle. Car's tuned. Tuned it on the base map from Honda, the flex fuel tune. All the codes are off already. So all the codes starts off from sport mode. This works. So yeah, later tonight, go get some E85 somewhere, and yeah, we're gonna fill up. Well, I'm gonna do an E835 blend because I can't run full 85 till I go stage 2 parametrics tune. So yeah, let's see how it runs later though. Okay, so we're on the first drive right now to go get E85. So I have a code that came on P0328, which is knock sensor 1. But people are saying it's many factors, but one of the factors was wrong fuel. So maybe because I have that, by the way, I accidentally left my GoPro on at the house, so most of my battery died. So I'm gonna try to get snippets here and there. So this is how it is right now. I just take the street just to be safe. I take my time, you know. So I'll pick it up whenever I get to the gas station and fill up. I'm like at 20%. I'm like at 20% on my camera battery, so I'm trying to get everything as I can with the GoPro. So pretty much what happened, like I showed you, the fucking rev limiter kept bouncing, and I contacted VCD Racing, Lewis from VCD Racing. Shout out to the homie, been rocking with him since he used to work in his driveway. I messaged him on Instagram and he said to check the ground, and not gonna lie, this plate right here is black, so I don't know, sure it's because it's painted, but anyways, it's a 10mm bolt. I'm so thankful I had this wrench because I'm not close to home at all. I was about to go fill up on E85 right now actually, so the fact that I had this came in so clutch. But yeah, I'm gonna ground it right now, and it's metal on metal, so yeah, let's see if that fixes the idle. Shit, let's find out. Hey, the ground worked. It was that. My coolant temp is working. Emissions problem still there. I know it was starting because of that. Yo, so shout out Lewis from VCD Racing. I fuck with you for that shit. And what I did was I had it. This was right there, and this is pretty much plastic and rubber. So maybe that has something to do with the fact that it wasn't grounded, you know. Now it's metal, so yeah. Pulling up to our first ever E85 fill up. Yes sir. Woo! Oh, I see the elephant. Oh, hell yeah. Car's looking good, it's idling good now. Woo. 85. So I gotta put 4.96. Oh fuck, we went over.
I wear mine.
So we do 4.96, and then the rest we gotta fill up with 91. Gotta get my picture, hold up. For sure, so now we put 91, and then so it fills up. So yeah, anyway, shout out to Lewis from BCB Racing. I'm gonna give you guys the percentage through Honda. I'm gonna show you guys my reaction. It's my first time ever pumping 85. I'll pick it up later. Alright, first start, E85. Okay. That code is still on. It's idling good. So, set the. So I'm gonna reset the trip meter and I'm gonna go for a drive. So I pulled over and that P0328 code went away. I turned off the car, put over to the shopping center. I pulled over, switched the car back on. It was that I have bad fuel, not bad fuel. I didn't have the right fuel. So I'm on E40 according to my Honda map. Full tank, man, everything is perfect.